Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, August 20th. Seeing another warm and humid morning out there this morning. We are going to be seeing conditions fairly similar today that we saw yesterday, with a slight chance of some isolated pop-up thunderstorms as we go towards the afternoon hours, and seeing those heat index values reach 100 to 105 degrees. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the area, some just high pressure really dominating much of the eastern United States. A very light flow out there this morning. That's going to help make those sea breezes a little bit more dominant, and that's what's going to help pop off some isolated thunderstorms across the region. It does look like areas near Salisbury today are going to be seeing the more likelihood of some shower and thunderstorm chances, but as per usual, we could still be seeing a chance down here, looking like a 20 to 30% chance today as we go towards lunchtime and into the afternoon hours. As of 8:15 a.m., seeing just a scattered deck of clouds at 17,000 feet, broken cirrus at 25,000. Winds were variable, running as of 8 a.m. at 250 at 4 knots. Temperature already up to 84 degrees, with that heat index already approaching 95 degrees this morning as of 8:15 a.m. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing that high reach around 90 degrees towards lunchtime into the early afternoon. Then we'll see those winds become a little bit more south-southeasterly this afternoon with that sea breeze. That'll help knock down those temperatures a few degrees. That's also where we're going to start to see the chances of some pop-up thunderstorms, running around a 20 to 30% chance from noon through about 6 or 7 p.m. As we get closer to sunset. Going to see those heat index values once again very dangerous out there at 100 to 105 degrees, possibly even before lunchtime today, and then persisting through about 6 p.m. As we go into this evening, going to be seeing a very muggy evening once again, only seeing that low get down to 78. Winds are going to be fairly light and variable throughout the morning hours, becoming south to south-southeasterly at 7 to 12 knots this afternoon, then weakening as we go towards sunset, with those winds becoming light as we go towards tonight and into mid-morning tomorrow. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we are going to be seeing just that scattered deck of 17,000 broken at 25,000 throughout the morning hours, then seeing a few clouds between about 4,000 and 6,000 feet pop up towards the late morning hours. And as we go towards this afternoon, going to basically be seeing the same thing with those lower level decks becoming scattered or broken, especially if we get into any shower or thunderstorm activity here at Wallops. As we go into tonight, going to just be seeing a few clouds near 4,500 feet, few at 1,200, and scattered to broken thin cirrus deck. Also seeing just a very slight chance of some patchy low clouds as well as we go in after midnight tonight. Looking at tides that are normal out there along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Taking a quick look at our satellite this morning, there you see we have those high clouds streaming across the Delmarva this morning. Haven't really seen any low clouds develop yet, but we'll be starting to see that here in the next hour or two as we get some of that daytime heating. Taking a quick look on how our forecast, our model is going to generate some showers and storms this afternoon. This is our short-term model. As we go towards the late morning hours, towards lunchtime, just going to be starting to see some lower-level cumulus clouds pop up. Then we'll start to see those thunderstorms develop, mainly across central portions of the Delmarva as we get towards 2 p.m. This model typically does a poor job of showing any thunderstorms across the lower shore, so we're still going to be carrying those chances despite it not showing it on this model. And then it does look like these storms across the Delmarva will die out by 7 or 8 p.m. this evening. For tomorrow, going to be looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies, another hot and humid day with another chance of an isolated pop-up thunderstorm. I think it is going to be a little bit less of a chance tomorrow compared to today. Also going to see those temperatures down, knocked down a degree or two, as it looks like we will be having a little bit of an increase in cloudiness. So looking at a high of 89, but still expecting those heat index values near 100 degrees tomorrow. Wednesday night going to be partly to mostly cloudy and muggy. Just a very slight chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm with a low only getting down to 79. Then Thursday, we are going to be having a front starting to approach the area with some prefrontal warming. That's going to bump up our temperatures again into the low 90s, seeing those heat index values once again in between 100 and 105 degrees So another dangerous heat index day out there. We're also going to be seeing the chance of an isolated pop-up shower or storm ahead of that front as we go towards the afternoon hours. Only looking like a 20% chance or so of that. But then as we go towards the evening and into the overnight hours between Thursday and Friday, that's when we're going to start to see those shower and thunderstorms ramp up as that front begins to impact the region. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.